Hello, class. Can't believe how fast time is moving. I think the fact that we're already at Unit 4 is pretty amazing. This is our halfway point, so keep up the excellent work you've all been doing. The major difference between this week and sort of what we've done in the past is that in addition to your discussion assignments, your interactive exercise, there is a midterm exam. Um, you will have two attempts to complete the exam, and the higher grade of the two attempts will be the one that count towards your final grade. I would suggest just going back through your previous assignments, just review, look at some of the ratings and interactives just to help you prepare. And as usual, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, you could call, you could email, you could text, sort of just always here to help you and support you in any way you need.